Do you want to show our fellow IENs what we do in our SLA bootcamp? Just a small recap.
All right. Yeah, so the Simulation Lab Bootcamp, or Canadian Nursing Bootcamp as we call it, is the mentorship program that we have to prepare you not just to do well in your simulation lab assessment or computer-based assessment, but to actually prepare you to become effective nurses in BC and in other provinces as well that require the bootcamp. Basically, you will have a high fidelity mannequin. You can hear heart sounds, lung sounds, sometimes vowel sounds as well on this mannequin. There is a cannulation practice here. There's a lot of things that the mannequin can do, and we treat the mannequin as a person. So this mannequin is named Bob. And also you will be exposed to equipments here that are like standards equipments in Canadian practice. So for example, we have this monitor, and then whatever readings that the mannequin will give you during your SLA practice, then that would help you assess the status of your patient, right? And we have what we call as the infusion pump as well, which is the standard infusion pump that is used in Canada. When I moved here in the UK, we use Baxter, but here in Canada they use this Alaris pump instead.